Those nylon screws caused a bit of controversy and people kind of divided 50-50 saying you didn't need to do it. Now, I don't agree with that. I think if you've got a lighting circuit with no CPC, the best thing ultimately is always to try and get a CPC in, but it's not always doable. So what else you can do is change all the plastic fittings, class 2 fittings. Now, the light switches, when they're plastic and have a metal back box, the screws are connected to the metal back box, and there's single insulation obviously behind the light switch. Now, I said these were a good idea because you change the metal ones out for nylon screws and now you've got a non-conductive surface, and essentially it can be passed. But people were saying that apparently because the cross-sectional area of the metal screw isn't big enough, you don't need to do that anyway. But I would say it still needs to be done because you walk past a light switch, you can touch the screw quite easily. Do you know what I mean? Yeah, I was interested to see what other people's thoughts on that was. It was quite an interesting topic. Yeah, what would you guys do? Change them over to nylon screws, or are you leaving the metal screws in with no CPC?